Hi, I'm Robert Lisatz and this channel is all about being safe, fit and prepared like a modern day samurai. Today I want to show you how you can transfer the concept of micro trainings into the survival space. As busy people, we can't afford to, train our survival skills for 2 days or for a week or so, but for an hour or two, this is possible and doable. I just brought my daughter to her afternoon activities. It's horseback riding, and it doesn't make any sense to go back home and then come back to pick her up. So I decided to make a micro workout in the survival space. Look what is growing in the middle of the forest. So cool. I have the concept of micro workouts explained in another video. You can check it out. It's at the end screen of this video. So don't be disappointed. I won't do any hardcore stuff in this video. It's just about practicing some survival skills in a very easy way. It's nothing intense. It's just to stay sharp and in shape, and better doing something than nothing. It's obvious that this tree got massively hurt, and you can use this substance here to make a torch. You just put this here into those cones here. You see? But of course you have to put much more of it into those cones and then light it up. This is a possibility. Just a few meters away from the previous tree we have this one here, and you can see this bark here. We could use this bark to cover a shelter, to make a roof out of it. Also cool. So let's see if I can make some cordage out of this dry grass here. It's not completely dry, so maybe it's possible to make some cordage out of it. In order to make cordage out of natural materials, you need some fibers, and they can come in many forms. I mean, this is not optimal, but it's also cool to experiment with materials that aren't optimal, because in life there are many situations that aren't optimal and you have to do the best out of it. As you can see, I have some cordage here already. It's only 4 or 5 centimeters, but it's quite strong. And you can see that this part is getting shorter and shorter, so I have to add materials as I go, or add more and more material as I go, if I want to have this cordage longer. I will add this here into the whole stuff and turn it as I did before, and also here the same. I will add some stuff here, just put it in the middle of the bundle It's not perfect, but it's okay. So again, you pinch the whole thing in the middle with those two fingers here, and on the right you twist twice, 1, 2, then you go underneath with the finger and change the position. Again the same, 1, 2, you go underneath with your second and third finger and you twist. And again, 1, 2, underneath, twist, repeat. 1, 2, underneath, twist. And now I will finish it with a knot, like this, a simple knot. Perfect. Voila, not bad. And it's surprisingly strong, even if it's out of dried grass. Voila. This is how it looks. This is what I call the micro workout approach, and this is also how you can train your survival skills, or a part of it. And for instance, I used it to make this cordage here. So for your micro workout of your survival skills, you can pick any project that you want and that doesn't last long to complete, for instance for 10 minutes or for 30 minutes or for 1 hour. Every minute counts. Lately I've been publishing quite a few survival related videos, and even though this is a channel about modern survivalism, you have to know also this ancient stuff and skills. If you want to be a modern day samurai as well, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, and don't forget to check out the videos at the end screen. Bye!